Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the practical and space-saving COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher, a portable dishwasher designed for apartments, dorms, RVs, and smaller kitchens. If you want the convenience of automatic dishwashing without needing a full-size built-in unit, this model is definitely worth checking out. Starting with the design, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher comes in a stylish black finish that looks modern and clean on kitchen counters. It has a compact footprint, making it ideal for places where space is limited. If you live in a dorm, small apartment, studio, or travel in an RV, this size can be a major advantage. One of the key highlights is the 6-place settings capacity. That means it can hold a useful amount of dishes for singles, couples, or small families. You can fit plates, bowls, cups, utensils, and everyday kitchen items without needing to wash everything by hand. For compact dishwashers, this capacity is very practical. Performance is another strong point here. This model offers 8 washing programs, giving you flexibility depending on your cleaning needs. Whether you need a quick wash, normal cycle, glass care, eco-friendly cleaning, or stronger cleaning for heavier loads, having multiple wash options makes the machine more versatile. The speed wash mode is excellent when you need clean dishes quickly. If you are busy or need plates ready fast, this feature can save time. The baby care mode is especially useful for cleaning baby bottles, feeding accessories, and items that need extra attention. For energy-conscious users, the Eco mode helps reduce water and electricity use while still cleaning effectively. This can be helpful for lowering utility costs and reducing environmental impact over time. The glass program is another nice touch, designed for delicate items such as glasses and cups. It helps provide gentler cleaning for fragile kitchenware. Since this is an ENERGY STAR certified dishwasher, it is built with efficiency in mind. That means it is designed to use less energy compared to less efficient models, making it a smart long-term option for many households. Another major advantage is portability. You do not need a permanent built-in installation like traditional dishwashers. That makes it ideal for renters or people who move often. It gives you dishwasher convenience without requiring a full kitchen remodel. Noise and convenience also matter. Countertop dishwashers like this can make daily cleanup much easier, especially after meals or gatherings. Instead of spending time washing dishes by hand, you can load the machine and let it do the work. So, who should buy this product if you live in a dorm, apartment, RV, or small home and need a compact dishwasher with solid capacity and multiple cleaning programs? The COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher is a strong option. Overall, this dishwasher offers compact design, useful capacity, versatile wash cycles, energy efficiency, and portable convenience. It is a smart solution for small space living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.